Pendle price update on the weekly chart. We're going to look at the macro. How high could Pendle possibly go this cycle? We're going to look at that based on the Fibonacci extension levels. And we're just going to look at the general setup with a couple of indicators and my thoughts on why this is looking to explode in the not so distant future. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you want more help navigating this cycle, want access to a lot of extra content, consider subscribing through Patreon. You can get that link below and we'd love to have you there. So Pendle. Nice move up from our lows way back in August of 2023, almost a 16x move, right? Pretty strong, outperforming majority of the crypto market there, right? Not many coins went up 15x right there. Now a move back down to our August lows, all the way back up, right? That nice move, right? From low to high in the past 2 months, we've done, 3.5x. All we're looking for is a weekly close above 680. And the fireworks can start here. So let's look for some evidence of that, right? First and foremost, you want your price action on top of all your moving averages, which we have. You want it to be holding support at the uppermost moving average, the EMA 8. Great. If we come back down, I would look for that to continue to hold, or worst case, the EMA 21 at 428 right now. Although that's not the odds. We have the Gaussian channel. We're above it. That'll act as support as well. Great there. After wicking and bouncing and holding off of the median Gaussian channel, right? The bulls showed up big time. Great. How about the Bollinger Bands? Those need to be set up pretty nice. Yeah. Pinch and a squeeze, and now they're starting to diverge from each other. The mouth is starting to open, signaling a bigger move on the horizon. And by bigger move, right? We're just looking for the wick to get lit here. And it's not that far ahead. We don't have leaps and bounds to go. Like 20, 25%, and we're set up for prime action to the upside. So how far, how high could we go this cycle? I'm glad you asked. Let's look at it. The 1618, that will be our first primary target when we break out of here. From current prices, what is that kind of in terms of ROI? We're looking at just over 3x away, 233% gets you there. Is that as high as we could possibly go? Well, it's important to look at market cap, so let's go do that. How about Pendle? At $5.50 currently with a $900 million market cap, just under $1 billion. Plenty of room to go. Right here's our long timeline. 900 million, just under $1 billion. If we get up 3x, right? Of course we could do that. So is there something higher? I'm glad you asked. How about the 2618? Where is that at? $75. Could we possibly get up there? Well, let's look at it. That gets you just over 13x from here. That puts it somewhere in the realm of $11 billion. Sure, that's possible. You want to be looking at market caps when you're getting these crazy ballparks from some of your favorite crypto influencers. Multiply the market cap, right? Make sure you're not going to be the ones dumped on here, right? But saying that Pendle can go to 75, not hopes and dreams. That's only 11 billion. There'll be many coins do that this cycle. So in my opinion, this is a great setup for a potential explosive move. First target 18, next target 75. What's not to like? The Bollinger Bands are in agreement. The Gaussian channel's in agreement. Volume above average. All these buys, look at all the well above average. This blue line is the average. There's almost zero selling. Everyone's buying. Last week, above average buy volume. It looks like it's coiling up, ready to blow to me. So that's my 2 cents on Pendle. And thoughts, comments, questions below. Do you like that? Did you think that was possible? Are you aiming higher, lower? Would you be happy with that? I would assume so. I assume most of you got in before the current price, but even if you get in here, still like a legit chance at a 13x. I think we would all like that. Let me know your thoughts below. Quote of the day. Loading. The way to get things done is not to mind who gets the credit for doing them. Just do it. Car of the day. Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. Great spec on that one. Rear and the mountainscape. You don't want to be off-roading $1 million SVJs. Let's calm that down. It's the Roadster version. Open top. Pretty nice. Lovely color. And last but not least, the Aventador SV, my favorite Aventador, because of the architectural design of the rear. I really like it. A little bit more rare than the SVJ, honestly. It's pretty cool. A little bit less expensive than the SVJ. Yellow. I would take yellow or, I mean, any of those three colors that we just looked at. Why wouldn't you? Of course you would. All right. Thanks for watching this long. If you have, short, sweet, to the point, Pendle update. What you want to see next, let me know below, and we'll get to it this week.